Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the best results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes beforehand. This small step makes a big difference in achieving a light, fluffy cream. Now let's get whipping. Pour your chilled heavy cream into the cold mixing bowl. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Begin whipping the mixture on medium-high speed. Watch closely as the cream thickens. You'll first see soft peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape but the tips curl over. Keep going until you achieve stiff peaks, where the cream stands up firmly. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Want to add a twist to your waffle cream? It's super easy. For a chocolate version, simply fold in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder after whipping. If you prefer a fruity touch, try adding 2 tablespoons of your favorite fruit puree, like strawberry or raspberry. Or, for a subtle nutty flavor, mix in 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. The possibilities are endless for customizing your perfect cream. Your delicious homemade waffle cream is now ready to enjoy. Spoon it generously over warm, fluffy waffles for an incredible treat. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 2 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.